Okay, Clint, of course, first championship naman po in 3 decades. So,
Yes.
how do you think, what do you think are your chances this year for Rico?
Syempre, we're gunning for back-to-back repeat history this year. Syempre, mataas yung chances namin coming off stellar performance last year and madaming nawala, madaming bagong pasok, madaming recruits, madaming expectations sa amin, but feel like ma-live up namin yon expectations na yun because of our hard work sa off-season na to, and hopefully yung team chemistry namin mapakita na namin sa October 1.
Clint, mas may target sa inyo ngayon.
Yes.
Kasi yun nga, champion.
Yes.
Nararamdaman mo ba yung bigat ng
Yes.
captain and yun nga, senior ka ng team?
Yes, syempre lahat naman talaga may pressure pero it's how you embrace that pressure and how you play with it, how you deal with it. Yun talaga yung in-instill ng mga coaches namin sa team and especially sa community. Ang daming umaasa sa amin and ready naman kami kasi we backed it up with hard work sa practice everyday. Nakikita ko sa mga teammates ko, sa mga coaching staff, mapapakita namin yun.
Of course, may mga nawala during the off-season. So how are you taking that change in roster and coaching?
Syempre, tapos na yun. Like, off-season is off-season. Every season talaga, off-season talaga may drama eh. So, sanay na kami dun, especially since God knows when pa. So, we have to deal with it. Kasi andito na yung mga piyesa namin eh. I think na talaga, mag-step up talaga yung mga bagong recruits namin and especially mga inaasa namin na rookies and yung mga veteran na babalik.
Clint, you previously decided to skip the PBA draft.
Yes.
Ano, meron ka pang isang season na tatapusin sa NC pero dahil ba meron ka bang na-expect or inaantay na offer from overseas kaya ka nag-skip ng PBA?
For me, syempre, yun talagang goal ng lot of Filipino hoopers out there. So, ako gusto ko lang talaga, mangarap talaga eh. Why not, diba? So, yun, kaya gusto ko muna mag-focus muna sa season na to para hopefully, in the future, magka-opportunity ako for that.
Now, as a kailangan, natanong na namin yung NCAA standpoint, pero from a player standpoint, ano masabi mo dun sa change ng format this study?
Medyo siya, nakakaiba eh, which, well, madami talagang opinions about it. Pero for me, syempre, first ulit to eh, sa kung hanggang kailan man. So, I'm up for the challenge and sa bagong format na to, syempre, nakaka-excite din eh. Kasi like what I said na lahat talaga fair chance to compete for a title. So, magiging interesting to kasi for sure madaming drama and madaming new strategies na to come with it. And as a player, syempre, mag-iiba din yung way of looking mo sa game eh. So, okay.